Hello children, good morning to all of you. Welcome to your class 10. Today we will solve exercise 1.2 question number 4. The question is, find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. We have to use prime factorization method. So let us start. It's 12. Write the prime factorization of 12. How will you write? 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Then 15. This is not divisible by 2. This is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15. Then 5 1s are 5. And 21. This is divisible by 3. And again this is divisible by 7. Now write the prime factorization of 12. 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. And 15 is equal to 3 into 5. And 21 is equal to 3 into 7. So LCM of these two, write the LCM. In LCM you have to take the common factor. First you find out the common factor, and then afterwards whatever be the rest, that will also come in LCM. So 2 is not common. This one is not common. 3 is common. 3 is in every number. 3 is the factor of every number. So write first 3. Okay. And whatever rest, you have to take that also. Then 2 and 2. In the first number, 2 and 2. Write 2 and 2. Then afterwards, what is left? 5 and 7. Write 5 and 7. You have taken all the numbers. Then how will you multiply? 5 into 10. 5 into 2 is 10. And 3 2s are 6. 6 7s are 42. Then write here 42. And 5 2s are 10. That means 10 you write. You put 10. It will be easy to multiply. Now HCF. Find the HCF. In HCF you have to take only common factor. The factor which is in every number, that will be the HCF. So 3 is common. 3 is in each number. Factor 3 is in each number. So HCF is 3. This is our solution. This is the LCM and this is HCF. 420 is LCM and 3 is HCF. Now solve another question. Number 2. Number 2 is 17, 23 and 29. All these are prime number. So LCM will be 17. If you divide 17, 17 is equal to 1 into 17. 23 is equal to 1 into 23, because prime number has only two factors, the number and the number itself, 1 and the number itself. And 29, that is also a prime number. Now find the LCM. LCM. No one is common. Only one is common among them. And then whatever is 17, 23, 29. Write 17, 23 and 29. If you multiplied all these numbers, 17, 23, 29, you will get 11,300. 11,339. 11,339. 39. And HCF, common factor is 1 because 1 is the factor of every number. So HCF is 1. LCM is 11,339 and HCF is 1. Now solve another question. Third one. 8, 9 and 25. You can write directly 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. And 9, 3 into 3, 3 into 3. All the factors must be prime. Prime factorization means you have to distribute the numbers into prime numbers, prime factors. 9 is equal to 3 into 3 and 25 is equal to 5 into 5. So find the LCM. First take common factor. No one is common. No number is common. Now 2 into 2 into 2. You can write in this way. 2 into 2 into 2. Then 3 into 3. And then 5 into 5. If you multiply it, you will get this one. 2 into 5 becomes 10. 2 into 5 becomes 10. 10 into 10 is 100. And what is rest? 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. Then write 18 and 100 means 20 you have to include. Then what is your answer? 1800. And then find the HCF. HCF, no one is common. So 1 is the factor of every number. Write 1. HCF will be 1. Okay.